At night when you slumber in a sweet, fluffy cloud bliss and catch all the Z's possible on the best mattress there is, you can sleep well and rested in a bed that fits you exactly, in a lofty, softy, low-costy bed from the original Mattress Factory. With all your worries blocked out, you'll sleep through them all, though you may well get up to answer nature's call. When you first lay upon it, you'll be delighted to feel the comfort of puffy, fluffy cotton, natural, actual, factual, and real. The body-comforting orthopedics' real working box springs bends and flexes with the bestest of all flexing box spring things. Two-sided mattresses with handles attached to the springs makes for convenient transport, periodic flipping, and flings. And sandwiching the mattress serenely is comfort you can't hide, so you can flip your mattress routinely, another show-stopping comfortable side. And since we sell directly, there's no middleman to squeeze ya, making the directest, perfectest pricing, guaranteed to please ya. And inside of every mattress is your sleep time's bestest friend, a battalion of heavy-gauge double-soft springs that support you from end to end. Thoughtfully made and honestly priced, not even a monster would suffice to think twice. The end of day is important to all, from the biggest and toughest to the sweetest and small, be they soft as a cloud or firm, sturdy, and full. The original Mattress Factory. Great beds, no bull.